right, hey, thanks for joining us today. We're going to be looking at Cradlepoint's newest edition, the W1855 wideband adapter. If you don't know already, this is the replacement unit to the W2005. It's much smaller, more compact, and is about the size of the original 1850. Looking forward to opening this up, seeing what's there. This is truly my first time looking at it, so I'm excited. It's like Christmas. So let's grab in here and see what we've got. So in Cradlepoint natural fashion, we have everything here nicely kitted, ready to go with a quick start guide. If you do not have the Verify app, I would strongly suggest utilizing that. And if you are installing this on your own as a customer, don't. Call us and we'll help you with the rest. But if you need the Verify app from Cradlepoint's right there, there's a QR code and you should be able to quickly and easily get ready. All right, so here we are with the W1855. As you can see, much smaller than W2005. So this is going to help folks when we're talking about installations, mounting. Also, honestly, what we're seeing and where I think this helps the most is the ability to be able to do in-building, out-building, warehouse connectivity. Wherever you needed the W2005 before, we now have a unit that's much more compact and much more easily installed wherever you need it. So I'm just looking this over real quick. As you can see, the normal Cradlepoint information on the back that we need. I don't know what these are just yet. Again, first time opening this, but I'm assuming those are our antenna ports. I'm gonna pull one of those off. That's exactly what we have. So those are gonna be your cellular ports. Let's see what's here. Oh, that doesn't come off, so we're gonna leave that. Then we have our SIM card right here. Let me turn that over for everybody. So this is where your SIM card's gonna go. As you can see, it's an IP rated bulkhead nut cap there. Just going through this whole thing. And then we have our standard Ethernet port connection, PoE managed in. So we have a 2.5 gigabit one and a PoE 0 ready to go. And just going through that, that's about all we have here. So I'm gonna put this down. We're gonna go through what else is in the box. So going through the box, this is new. Everything seems to be in a nice little sleeve. If I am a betting person, we're gonna open this up and this is gonna be antennas. But let's double check first. And that's exactly what we have here. So you have your 4 high gain paddle antennas specifically made for outdoor applications like the W1855 or like you might have saw on the W2005. All nicely set there. I'll move those over to the side real quick. And then on the inside, let's go back to the box real quick. We have all of our mounting brackets ready to go. So again, in true Cradlepoint fashion, trying to provide you everything you need for mounting in a single box. Let's see how this, oh, it looks like our mounting box goes that way. So this goes to your pole. You can see your pole cut out here, dished out, and then here's your mounting plates for a wall mount as well. And then you have your strapping if you need to strap out, if you're using your standard pipe clamps or something like that. And then I'm assuming somehow we can pull these off and that's where the Cradlepoint then mounts to that. I don't know yet, but we have a quick start guide to look at for that. Your additional in-point caps for the PoE ports that we talked about earlier. Here's those pipe clamps that we mentioned. And then here are your waterproof Cat 6, Cat 5 cable connectors. Those would go under here to make sure we can take this thing to the next level of waterproofing and keeping wind, dust, and all that happy jazz out of there. No need to put the other one on, so I'll put that right there. And that's it. So in the box, we have our W1855. We have all of our mounting hardware, as you can see here. Everything needed for a turnkey install. If your mileage may vary, but if you need a different way of installing this besides standard conduit, pole mount, or wall mount, where all the gear comes in here. We have available options, and you're free to reach out to any one of our salespeople here at RCN to be able to work through what the best mounting options for you are. And if you're looking for somebody to mount this for you, our entire field services team, nationwide, coast to coast capability of helping you put this bad boy up wherever you need it most.